Hey y'all, what's up? Y'all know who it is, Zeke? Oh, it's cookie time. Time to make some cookies. Y'all see me cook, y'all see me make bread. Well, I think y'all see me make cookies before. You know, I come from the type of family where you gotta be able to cook just as well as bake. So baking and cooking go hand in hand. Some people can't do both. I don't know. Being a blind person, I can do both. I guess I just learned from back in the day. I just apply now. So I'm about to do some ginger snaps. I think everybody like ginger snaps. Well, maybe not everybody. Well, most people like ginger snaps. Most people like gingerbread. So let's do some ginger snaps. Yeah, let me see here. Only thing about baking and cooking and being blind is that you have to memorize so much. Oh, all this stuff in my head and it never leaves out. But then sometimes I have to adjust some recipes if I double a batch, which is what I'm about to do to these ginger snaps. So everything I'm putting in this ginger snap cookies is a double batch. So you want to make a single batch, just cut everything in half. Alright. Of course, the best thing for me to do, I think most cooks should do, have everything pre-measured already. So here I have 4 cups. See here? Right here? I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. So I'll do my dry first. So let's see what I have over here to my left that I have measured out already. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt into my flour. I'm going to smell this as I go. That way I know what I'm putting in here. This is 2 teaspoons of cloves. 2 teaspoons of cloves. It's kind of like a spice cookie. Y'all know how you put your spices in there. This is 2 teaspoons of ginger. Of course, if you're going to make ginger snaps, gotta have ginger. So 2 teaspoons of ginger snaps. 2 teaspoons of ginger snaps. 2 teaspoons of ginger. Y'all will see my eyes closed majority in this video, because some people don't think I'm really blind all the way. So you know what? I think I'm gonna do this whole video with my eyes closed. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this entire video with my eyes closed. And this is 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm not gonna put my eyes down one time. And this is nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg is strong. Okay. So I got all my spices in there and my salt. And I need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. See, I know my measuring things. This is 1 tablespoon. This is a half a tablespoon. So this should be a teaspoon right here of baking soda. This cookie requires baking soda, not baking powder. Okay, so put my baking soda. I got 1. I leveled it off with my finger. So that's 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And let me do 1 more. Level it off. Alright, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I'm listening to my gospel. Let's see if this should learn the Adams version. For my liberty. Okay, that's all my dry. And I'm gonna take my whisk right here. I'm going to whisk all this together, so it all can be whisked up together. Then after this, I'm going to do my wet. This is my niece's favorite cookies, so that's why I'm doing a double batch. Tomorrow, I'm gonna stop by her house and surprise her with Uncle Zeke ginger snaps. Marla like ginger snaps, and EJ like chocolate chips, but I'm not doing no chocolate chips. He like ginger snaps too. I think EJ like any kind of cookie. So I said I'm gonna do a cookie where they don't have to argue about it. I want to be the blessed place. Sing Yolanda. That's Yolanda Adams. Old school Yolanda Adams back in the 80s. Save my life. He paid the price. And I know. Oh, I can't sing a little bit, y'all. Just a little bit. Not that much. All right. Let me mix this all together and I'll be right back. Bye. All right, y'all. Let's do the wet. In here I have 2 sticks of margarine. You can use butter if you want to. I like using margarine because to me margarine make a cookie a little moister and softer. So see there, I have 2 sticks of margarine. They're sitting out so they're room temperature. So to this 2 sticks of margarine, I'm about to add 2 cups. And yeah, this is a sweet cookie, so this is not a healthy cookie. Well, no cookie is healthy, really. You make it with butter and sugar. But I'm adding in, this is 2 sticks of margarine. This here is 2 cups of brown sugar. I'm using the light brown sugar. So 2 cups of the light brown sugar. Remember, this is a double batch, so I'm doubling up everything. And this is actually a half a cup of white sugar. That goes in there also. So half a cup of white sugar and 2 cups of brown sugar. If you want a single batch, just cut that in half. So I'm about to take my mixer right here and I'm about to cream this up and I'll be right back. Right, that's what it looked like after mixing in about 5 minutes. So that is 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of white sugar. Now let's add 2 large eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. All right. And this something you don't have to add like egg number 1 and then mix. We're gonna crack. That's egg number 1. Make sure you get large eggs for most of your recipes. Most recipes call for large eggs. You know, you go in the store now, they all sizes. Okay. That's 2 eggs. Now I'm gonna go and add my vanilla extract too. I need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Yeah, you got small, medium, large eggs now. Extra large, double yolk. Okay, now let me measure this way because I'm right-handed. Okay, show them over the bowl. Eyes closed. I probably opened my eyes so many times. Come on here. That's 1. Okay. That's 2. Probably a little bit over 2, but it's close enough. Now what did I do to the top of this thing? Oh, here we go. Okay. Alright, so 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And we're about to get the mixing again. Be right back to show y'all the next step, y'all. Alright. See there, it's all mixed in. Alright. Now, get back to me. Now we're about to add 2/3 cups of molasses. Let me shut my eyes so y'all can make sure I can't see. Excuse me. All right. This is my 1/3 cup. I put some shortening on there. Some shortening. Anytime when you measure sticky stuff, put some type of oil in your measuring cup, and that way it won't stick to the surface so much. See that? Molasses. Dark molasses. If you didn't have molasses, you can also use the Steins or Steam Serve in that yellow can. The one my mama used to make popcorn balls with. Yeah, but I had some molasses. And y'all, believe it or not, this stuff really be in my cabinet already. I don't buy stuff like this. I buy it. But I buy it because I know that probably I can use it later for something. So let me see. Can I measure 2 of these? Let's see. It's sticky. I hate messing with sticky stuff. I'm taking my index finger and judging. Okay, that's not it yet. Okay. See there? My finger measured it. That's a full 1/3 cup. So that's 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup. Okay. Let's fill it up again, and that'd be 2/3 cups. You was doing a single batch, you would just be using 1/3 cup. Let me check my finger. Ooh, that's my song right there, Tasha Cobbs. Yeah. You know my name. Okay, that's the second. Okay, that's 2/3 cups. You know my name. Take my hand, go around it. You know my name. You know my name. Come on, get in there. And oh, how you walk with me. And oh, how you talk with me. Sing. And oh, how you tell me. Let me stop singing and start singing. That I am your own. All right. So there go my molasses. About to mix this in. Okay. That's it so far with the molasses and everything in it. Now we're going to add the dry to the wet. Y'all remember the dry, the 4 cups of flour and the nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, salt, baking soda. Yeah, I like showing y'all step by step to let y'all know I be doing this myself. I had to change my mixer. My other mixer just all of a sudden just stopped working. I thought the plug needed resetting, and I reset the plug and it didn't come back on. So I had to pull out Old Faithful here. Now Old Faithful makes some noise sometimes, so don't be alert if you hear strange dogs coming from Old Faithful right here. Okay, let me start it. You see that? There you go. There you go. There you go. It's not recorded. So Old Faithful just started this noise up. Okay. Let me add 1 cup. Okay. I ain't gonna let y'all see me add this flour here. So I'm about to add these 4 cups of flour in here. I ain't gonna let y'all hear all this noise. I'm gonna let y'all see the finishing process, because this is a very soft batter. It gotta chill. Look at this. Look at this thing. Acting a fool, huh? All right, y'all. Be right back. And there goes the ginger snap dough. Now I'm gonna put saran wrap on it and put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 30 minutes to an hour. Yeah. So that's it. About to let y'all see. I don't know. Next step, y'all see me rolling it out and putting them in little cookies. All right. See y'all in a few minutes. Hey, I just got my dough out of the refrigerator, taking the saran wrap off, and you see it's firm. Where my spoon at? Where's my spoon? See how firm it is now? So my ginger snap dough is firm. About to roll it in balls and show y'all right quick. Hold up. Let's do this. Got my parchment paper. I got my parchment paper on my cookie sheet. Now let's make ginger snaps. Let me show y'all right quick. Hope I'm in the camera. Hope I'm in the camera. So I'm gonna take the spoon and I'm gonna roll a ball. So I'm gonna use about, let's see. I'm gonna use about this much. Let's see, about this much. My hands washed already. I'm gonna take it and roll it in a ball, right there. See, roll it in a ball. take it and I'm gonna roll it in sugar. So you roll it in sugar like this. Roll it in sugar. And you take it, and you put it on your cookie sheet like this. And you take a glass. I use this glass right here. And you press down on them. And you're gonna get the perfect round cookie every time. So press down on it. Okay, I'm gonna do a few more and come back and show y'all. All right, 1 second. I got 15 on the tray. I got my oven set at 350, and I'm gonna put them in there between 10 and 12 minutes. And we're gonna have ginger snaps. All right, let me put them in the oven. Be right back. The timer just went off, and this is what they look like. Oh, let me get them out of here. Get them out of here. And place them on the, where's the rack? Ooh, there they go. So you put them in for 10 minutes. If you want them slightly soft, and you put them in like 12 minutes. Oh shoot, hold up. It's off the thing. Come on. Put them in 12 minutes, you want them crispy. Be right back to taste them. Once again, there they go, y'all. And I done poured me a glass of milk while they still warm. And baby, we about to do it. Smell like Christmas in here. No, it smell like fall. Okay, got me one. Here go my milk. Let's taste them. Mmm. Perfect. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, this is how a cookie supposed to be. Look. A cookie supposed to be crunchy on the outside. I'm gonna show y'all. See, it's crunchy on the outside. Crunchy on the outside. And soft in the middle. Look. Soft in the middle. Bang. Mmm. 10 minutes. If you want it crunchy, put it on for 12. Oh, let me dip it in the milk. Let me dip in the milk, y'all. Mmm. Come on, come on, come on. Mmm, mmm. Oh, I'm in heaven. Baby, I'm in heaven. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Bye, y'all. Y'all see this ginger snap recipe? Yeah, open my eyes up. Mmm. Make y'all some. Bye. Mmm. Mmm.